AI is not just the future, it's your pathway to profits today. Imagine waking up each morning with the freedom to work from anywhere, all while earning a steady income. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, what if I told you that AI can help you turn that dream into reality? In today's video, I will be unveiling some hidden AI money-making secrets that could transform your financial future. These strategies are not just innovative, they're practical and accessible. So stick around until the end and discover how you can harness the power of AI to make money like never before. 1. AI affiliate marketing strategies. Have you heard about AI affiliate marketing strategies? This is where things get really interesting. By using AI tools like Pave AI, you can analyze user data to optimize your marketing campaigns. For instance, if you're promoting fitness products as an affiliate, Pave AI can help identify when your audience is most likely to make purchases. Let's say you discover that late-night visitors are more inclined to buy weight loss supplements. You can schedule targeted ads during those hours, leading to higher conversion rates and increased commissions. It's all about working smarter, not harder. 2. Creating digital courses with AI. One exciting way to make money is by creating digital courses. If you have expertise in a specific area, like writing, graphic design, or digital marketing, you can share your knowledge by developing an online course. You can host this course on platforms like Teachable or Udemy, where people pay to learn from you. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can use AI technology to make your course even better. For example, instead of just having students take the same quizzes, you can use AI to create quizzes that adapt to each student's performance. As students go through your course material and take quizzes, the AI tracks their answers. If a student struggles with a certain topic, the AI can provide more questions on that topic to help them improve. 3. Selling AI-generated prompts. Here's an unexpected one: selling AI-generated prompts. Many people struggle with using AI tools effectively because they don't know how to craft the right prompts. By creating and selling specialized prompts on platforms like Fiverr Pro or PromptBase, you're providing a valuable resource. I have typed AI prompt services on Fiverr and see many sellers are actively offering this service and earning money from it. You can also do it. You can package hundreds of prompts and sell it for anywhere from $10 to $50. This way, while others are experimenting with prompts, you're making money off your expertise. 4. Automated email funnels. Let's not forget about automated email funnels. Businesses often need tailored email sequences for various purposes: welcome emails, product launches, and more, but they may lack the time to create them. By using AI tools to generate these email sequences based on specific needs, you can offer this as a service or even sell pre-made funnels as digital products. Imagine charging $100 to $200 for a complete email funnel package while helping businesses connect better with their customers. 5. AI-powered content creation. First up is AI-powered content creation. If you enjoy writing but find it time-consuming, AI tools like Jasper and Copy.ai can be your best friends. Imagine typing a simple prompt about a topic you're passionate about, and the AI generates a well-structured blog post or article for you. This means you can handle multiple clients at once, increasing your income without doubling your workload. For example, let's say you're a freelance writer juggling 3 different clients. You input a prompt to AI, and it produces a nearly complete blog post. You just need to add your unique touch and send it off. This method not only saves time, but also allows you to take on more projects, boosting your earnings significantly. 6. Building chatbots for businesses. Next, let's talk about building chatbots for businesses. Chatbots are becoming essential for companies looking to enhance customer service without breaking the bank. With platforms like ChatFuel or Dialogflow, you can create chatbots that answer customer inquiries or guide users on websites. Think about it. Many small businesses want to improve their customer interaction but lack the technical skills to do so. By offering your services to set up chatbots, you can charge a fee while helping them streamline their operations. It's like a win-win situation. 7. AI video creation for YouTube. Now, if you're interested in video content, AI video creation might be your golden ticket. Services like faceless.video allow you to turn scripts or ideas into engaging videos without ever showing your face. You simply write a script on a trending topic, and the AI tool adds visuals and voiceovers. It's great, right? Imagine uploading these videos to YouTube and monetizing them through ad revenue or affiliate links. Not only do you get to share valuable information, but you also create a passive income stream without the need for personal branding. 8. AI stock trading bots. For those interested in finance, you need to consider AI stock trading bots. These bots analyze market patterns faster than any human could and execute trades based on preset conditions. While trading always involves risks, using an AI bot can help identify profitable opportunities that manual traders might miss. You could set up an account with a trading platform like MetaTrader and connect it with an AI trading bot to automate your trading process. Just remember, always monitor your strategies closely. 9. Prototype creation with websim.ai. Have you ever thought about creating prototypes? With tools like websim.ai, you can generate full prototypes of websites or apps in minutes using simple text prompts. This is particularly useful if you're looking to start a tech business without extensive coding skills. You can create prototypes for clients who need help visualizing their ideas before development starts. By charging for this service, you're not just making money, you're also helping entrepreneurs bring their visions to life. 10. Digital influencers. Using AI, finally, let's explore the concept of digital influencers. These are virtual characters created using AI technology that promote products on social media platforms. They look and behave like real influencers, but are entirely digital creations tailored to engage specific audiences. As brands increasingly turn towards digital influencers for marketing campaigns, 63% of professionals plan to use them soon. You could tap into this trend by creating your own digital influencer or partnering with existing ones for promotional deals. I have shared 10 exciting ways you can leverage AI to make money that many people may not be talking about yet. The possibilities to make money from AI are endless. Remember that success in these ventures requires dedication and effort. However, by embracing these innovative methods now, you'll be ahead of the curve as the demand for AI-driven solutions continues to grow. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any video. Thanks for watching.